Welcome. This is our first attempt to do a recording on how to edit this web page. The first step is to go to the resource page and find the notes on website maintenance. From there, if you have not done it already, please register your first GitHub account and let me know about your username. And then starting from there, if you forget about the address for the GitHub repository, you can always follow along the link on this page. And the GitHub repository, you can think of it as the folder of all the source files of the website. And here I'm logging into it with a two-step authentication step. It does not take that long, and it makes things super safe. So for example, let's go back to this page, for example. Say we want to change one line on this page. And in particular, in this case, we wanted to get rid of this line. I added up for the previous recording. So what we wanted to do is to go back into the source folder and navigate according to the URL. So this is the root address. And then maintenance is the folder in which web maintenance as a file can be found with the .md extension. And everything follows from here is to edit this plain text file upon clicking that edit button. Here, very quickly, we take away the comment and commit it. This is similar to saving the page. And here, we do not touch anything else, and only to say commit the changes. Here, we keep writing to this master branch, which is fine. Now we can go take a look at the raw's source file. And you can see the extra line is no longer there. However, if you look at the web page, it may still be there. So let's refresh it. It still seems to be there. That is because it takes time to compile or to render the page. So let's hang around for 20 seconds. If not, maybe 30. My impression is that within a minute, as long as we are not repeatedly pushing the updates, it will render. So this should conclude momentarily our first recording on how to edit one-liner from an existing page. Thank you. I think we're almost there. Yep. So now you see the page is the extra line at the bottom of the page is no longer here. So we conclude